Hello students. So we will continue with the next part. It is the endoplasmic reticulum. So here endoplasmic reticulum, it is a cell organelle which is found in the cytoplasm of cells, right? So in the eukaryotic cells you can find this endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum, it is a membrane bound cell organelle. It is called membrane bound cell organelle because it is having a membrane, right? The covering of endoplasmic reticulum, right? It is the membrane. So it is called membrane bound cell organelle. Here reticulum means a network, right? So the meaning of reticulum is network. So endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network of tiny tubular structures. It is a network of tiny tubular structures present near the nucleus. Tiny means very small, right? Tubular structures. Tubular structures means they are like tubes, right? So they are very small tubes, right? They are very small tubes which are present in a group. A mass of or a group of small tubes, right? It is called as network. So network means a group of small tubes, right, which is present in the cytoplasm, mainly near the nucleus. So endoplasmic reticulum is found very much close to the nucleus. See, already you have studied the ultrastructure of an animal cell or the ultrastructure of a plant cell. So in that we have seen inside the cell, right? So near the nucleus you will observe a network of tiny tubes, right? So these network of tiny tubes very much close to the nucleus, it is present very close to the nucleus. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum, it is attached to the nuclear membrane. Now what is this nuclear membrane? Nuclear membrane is the membrane of nucleus, or it is the outer covering of nucleus. It is called nuclear membrane. So endoplasmic reticulum, it is attached to the nuclear membrane. So this you can clearly see in the diagram. If you see the diagram of plant cell or animal cell, you can easily see how this endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the nuclear membrane. Now this endoplasmic reticulum, in short, it is also called ER. So endoplasmic reticulum, in short, it is also called ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Now this endoplasmic reticulum, it is classified into two types. Endoplasmic reticulum is classified or it is divided into two types. So which are those two types? One is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough and smooth, these are the two types of endoplasmic reticulum. So it is classified into two types as RER. So RER indicates rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the second type is SCR. Here SCR means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So here rough and smooth, right? Rough and smooth, they are opposite words, just like tall and short, they are opposite words. Like that only, rough and smooth, they are opposite words. So, a rough appearance, right? Endoplasmic reticulum, it appears rough. When you see endoplasmic reticulum, it looks very rough. That roughness is because of particles, right? So there are particles attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and these particles make the endoplasmic reticulum rough. So what are these particles now? These particles are ribosomes, right? So ribosomes are the particles which are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. So because of this, it appears rough and it is classified as rough endoplasmic reticulum. The another type is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now why it is called smooth? Because here these particles are absent. You don't find these particles which are ribosomes. So ribosomal particles or ribosomes are absent. So when ribosomes are absent on ER, it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So it appears smooth, that outer surface, it appears very smooth, it looks very smooth, right? So such endoplasmic reticulum having smooth surface, it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So here ribosomes are absent. So those are the two types of endoplasmic reticulum. So this you can see in the diagrams of plant cells and animal cells. Then the functions. So what are the functions performed by endoplasmic reticulum? What is the meaning of functions? The work or the role, right? So role of endoplasmic reticulum or the work of endoplasmic reticulum or the function of endoplasmic reticulum. So two important roles performed by endoplasmic reticulum or the important functions. One is it helps to produce protein. Endoplasmic reticulum helps to produce protein, right? So which endoplasmic reticulum helps to produce protein? Rough or smooth? So it is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum helps to produce protein. Why it helps to produce protein? Because it is having ribosomes. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, with the help of ribosomes, it is involved in synthesis of protein. Synthesis means to produce or to manufacture or to prepare. So proteins are synthesized by RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. See, ribosomes, they are called protein factories of the cell, right? Ribosomes are called protein factories of the cell because they produce proteins. Fine. Then the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, what is the function of it? So smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in the synthesis of lipid. Where it is, okay. So it helps in the synthesis of lipid. Now what is this lipid? So lipid is the fat, right? Lipid is the fat. So fats or lipids, they are same. Can you give me any example of lipid or fat? Any common example? So oil, any oil, right? So oil is an example of lipid. Then similarly, ghee or butter. So ghee, butter, oil, they are all examples of lipids or fats, right? So smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in synthesis of lipids or fats. So those are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So you may expect questions, right? You may expect questions like, what is endoplasmic reticulum? 1 mark question. or mention the two types of endoplasmic reticulum, or write the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So these are some questions you can expect from ER. Then the second or the next cell organelle that we are discussing is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Here Golgi is the name of the scientist, right? Golgi is the name of the scientist who discovered this cell organelle, right? So this cell organelle was first observed, or it was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. Here. So Camillo Golgi first observed this cell organelle in the cells, right? So because of this scientist, this cell organelle is called Golgi apparatus. So it has different names. It is called Golgi apparatus, Golgi body, Golgi complex. All are same, right? It may be apparatus, Golgi body, or Golgi complex. Golgi is the name of the scientist who discovered it, Camillo Golgi. Now, what is the definition of Golgi apparatus? Here, if you observe Golgi apparatus, it is very much similar to the endoplasmic reticulum. So definitions are also almost same, right? The definition of ER, definition of Golgi apparatus, they are same. So what is this Golgi apparatus? If you observe the structure, it is just like a network, right? Golgi apparatus is a network. It is a network of tiny tubular structures, right? So it is a mass of, or it is a group of very tiny, that tiny means small tubular structures which is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. What is the location of Golgi apparatus in the cell? Okay, no doubt it is present in the cytoplasm. But in the cytoplasm, where do you find this Golgi apparatus? Again, you just see those plant cells and animal cells, you will come to know the location. So, Golgi apparatus is located near the endoplasmic reticulum, right? So, Golgi apparatus is located, or it is present, or it is situated near the endoplasmic reticulum. So, that is the specific location or perfect location of Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus lies near the endoplasmic reticulum. So there is a reason for it, right? There is a reason for this location. I will tell you after some time. Fine? Okay. So that is the definition of Golgi apparatus. So it is a network of tiny tubular structures present in the cytoplasm, mainly near the endoplasmic reticulum. Then the functions of Golgi apparatus. So what are the functions of Golgi apparatus? The main function of Golgi apparatus is packaging. Packaging of materials, right? Packaging means to pack. See, we pack our bag. See, if you are going somewhere, if you are going to some other place, you pack your bag, right? That is called packaging. Similarly, this cell organelle, that is Golgi apparatus, it is involved in packaging, right? Packaging of materials. So it packs which materials? These materials are mainly proteins, even lipids. So proteins and lipids, they are packed. They are packed by Golgi apparatus. So that is the main function performed by Golgi apparatus. Now, from where these materials come? Protein and lipid. It comes from another cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. So, endoplasmic reticulum produces protein and lipid. This protein and lipid from ER, it comes to Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. Now, what Golgi apparatus does? It packs these materials in the form of vesicles, right? It packs these materials in the form of vesicles. What are these vesicles? Vesicles are like these. These spherical structures are called, vesicles, right? So, protein and lipids, they are packed inside the, like this. So these are the vesicles produced by Golgi apparatus. And what these vesicles contain? They contain the materials like protein and lipid produced by ER. Now these vesicles, they are transported, right? They are transported to different parts of the cell. Fine. So that is the main function of Golgi apparatus. It helps in packaging of materials produced by endoplasmic reticulum. Right? So that is about the function of Golgi apparatus. So understood the reason now? Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, they are present near each other. This is the main reason. Right? Both work together. Right? Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, they are present close to each other. They are just like friends. They always remain together. Right? Mainly to share this function. One friend, that is ER, produces materials. Next, another friend, Golgi apparatus, it packs those materials. Right? So one is involved in production, one is involved in packaging. Because of this reason, Golgi apparatus is present near the endoplasmic reticulum. The next we will consider the cytoskeleton. Now what is this cytoskeleton? So we will divide this word into two parts: cyto and skeleton. The meaning of cyto is cell. Right? Here cyto indicates cytology. Cyto indicates cytology. Right? So the word cyto means cytology. And what is cytology? Cytology is the branch of science which deals with study of cells. So in simple words, the study of cells is called cytology. Right? So here cyto means the cell or cells. Skeleton. Here skeleton is the supporting structure. Right? The meaning of skeleton is supporting structure. So skeleton means supporting structure. Can you give me example of skeleton? Inside our body there is a skeleton which is made up of bones. Right? Inside our body there is a skeleton which is made up of bones and also cartilage. So our body gets support from this skeleton, or the bones support our body. Because of that, it is called supporting structure. So skeleton is a supporting structure, right? So cytoskeleton means the supporting structure of cells, right? The supporting structure of cells is the cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton consists of two supporting structures. They are, one is endoplasmic reticulum and second is the Golgi complex. So endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex are the two important supporting structures of a cell, right? So because of this, we can call endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex as supporting structures of the cell, or cytoskeletal structures of the cell. So how you can write the meaning of cytoskeleton? Again, the meaning is same, right? It is the, so cytoskeleton, it is the network of tiny tubular structures present in the cytoplasm of cells. So the definition of endoplasmic reticulum, the definition of Golgi apparatus, the definition of cytoskeleton, all are same, because ER and Golgi apparatus both are cytoskeletal structures, right? So what is the function of cytoskeleton? So cytoskeleton, naturally the first function is it supports, right? Cytoskeleton supports the cell. It provides mechanical support to the cell. So cell is supported by cytoskeleton. Second important function, cytoskeleton maintains the shape of the cell. So see, our cells have different shapes, right? One basic structure is round or spherical, right? So it may be any shape. The shape of the cell is mainly due to cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton provides a definite shape to the cell, right? So just here, the first function, cytoskeleton provides mechanical support to the cell. Second function, it helps to maintain the shape of the cell. So these are the two functions of cytoskeleton. So you may expect a question, what is cytoskeleton? Write its functions. So this is the meaning of cytoskeleton and these are the two functions. So I hope you have followed today's concept, right? So today we have discussed endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and the cytoskeleton. So with this I will stop here and we will continue in the next video. Thank you.